Former PM Zafarullah Khan Jamali passed away at a hospital in Rawalpindi on Wednesday. He was 76 years old. Jamali was reportedly ill for the past 3 or 4 days, and was on a ventilator. Earlier reports said he had a heart attack. Hospital sources claim he died due to heart and kidney failure. PM Imran Khan, army officials, and other politicians wrote condolence messages on Twitter. A few days ago, President Arif Alvi accidentally tweeted that Jamali died when he was still alive, but in critical condition. Jamali was associated with various political parties. Here's a rapid-fire recap of Jamali's political career, which takes us through so many moments in Pakistan's history. In 1964, Jamali stepped into politics to support Fatima Ali Jinnah, i.e. Muhammad Ali Jinnah's sister, who was running an election against then military ruler, Field Marshal Muhammad Ayub Khan. Jamali and other political leaders were arrested for participating in anti-gov rallies. In 1970, Jamali contested a provincial assembly seat in Baluchistan as an independent candidate, but didn't win. He tried again in 1977 after joining the Pakistan People's Party, PPP, and won. A military coup ousted the PPP gov that same year. General Zia-ul-Haq, who declared martial law, became Pakistan's military ruler and eventually, president. In 1982, Jamali joined Haq's cabinet as Minister of State for Food and Agriculture. In 1985, Jamali served as Federal Minister of Water and Power during the tenure of former PM, Muhammad Khan Junejo. Junejo was appointed PM during Haq's martial law regime. In 1988, Jamali was appointed Chief Minister of Baluchistan. He also served as caretaker Chief Minister of Baluchistan twice, once in 1988, then again in 1997. Jamali was PM of Pakistan from 2002 to 2004. He served as PM during the tenure of former president and military ruler, Pervez Musharraf. He was Pakistan's first and only elected PM from Baluchistan. He was also Pakistan's first civilian PM since Musharraf's military coup in 1999, which ousted the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, Gov. Musharraf overthrew Nawaz Sharif, who was PM at the time. Jamali resigned as PM in 2004. Him and Musharraf apparently weren't agreeing on several political issues. In 2013, Jamali was elected to the National Assembly as an independent, but joined PMLN later on. In 2017, PMLN initiated disciplinary action against Jamali for opposing Sharif's re-election as the party's president. That year, the Supreme Court disqualified Sharif as PM since he was facing corruption charges, i.e. undeclared sources of income. The bill, which Jamali didn't vote for, was pushing for Sharif to serve as president of PMLN after the Supreme Court's ruling. In 2018, Jamali resigned from the National Assembly, just days before the end of its term. Some reports claim he resigned for health reasons. While announcing his resignation, he criticized the PMLN-led gov for not allocating enough resources to Baluchistan in the federal budget.